Hey guys, what's going on? This is Eric Garcia for Mobile Development Frameworks 2 for the 1402 term. This video I'm going to give you a brief overview of our Project 4. As you can see here, we're looking at the storyboard of the app. It is a pretty simple app consisting of three main screens. The first one being a list of theaters with their respected showing of movies, which you'd click on one and then you can get a detailed view of the movie with a larger image of the trailer, or not of the trailer, of the album cover, if you will. And then from there you'd be able to click on to watch the trailer and you'd be able to watch the trailer. Jumping over into the code, it's fairly simple other than this large chunk of code, which is basically just adding the data of the movies in the theaters. We can go ahead and just minimize that for now. Jumping through, we're setting the number of rows and sections to the number of theaters. In this case we have just 3 per the project requirements. And then here I had to set the height of the header a little bit taller to incorporate the image that I'll show you in a minute. And then the view for the header, this is just customizing the header for each section. I went ahead and did a switch statement for each section to create the custom header that I will show you in a minute. So there's the 3 sections. And then you have the number of rows and sections, which obviously is just going off the count of the showings of the theater. And then you have the basic cell for row index patch, which is configuring the cell and putting in a UI image of the video. And then you're preparing for the segue to send just a single object of the movie of whichever one you click on, which that would be the only property of this one, is that movie object, the custom movie object. And then it just sets the title and the image and prepares to send that same object to the trailer view. And that one is just basically the MP movie player with the action. I went ahead and implemented to play automatically because I figured if you're clicking to watch the trailer, you don't want to click again to play it. I know in the guidelines it said not to play it automatically, but what I did instead was I went ahead and played it automatically and then implemented a pause. If the state is playing, you can pause it or continue to play it, or stop it and then replay it if you want to. And I also went ahead and added a full screen button, so that way you can watch it full screen if you wanted. And then here you have just the custom objects from the theater with a few properties there and a few properties here. So let's go ahead and play this on the iPad and we'll show it running here. There you have the custom header of the movie theater, as well as the address, and the image is Google Maps image of the location of it. And I did a transparency so you can see the movies sliding behind it, all with their own respective time, and then you can see that when a new section comes, it obviously pushes it out of the way. And if you click on any one of the movies, well, it's that one for example, you have this larger artwork, as well as you can go ahead and play the trailer. And like I said, it plays automatically, as you can see. If you press the play button, it pauses it, or you can continue to play it, stop it altogether. And you can go back to the movie views and see any other movies and watch the trailer. And to demonstrate the full screen mode, we'll go ahead and hit full screen. And as you can see there, it just takes up the whole screen and puts you the normal navigation controls for the movie player. If you go ahead and hit done, we can go back. So that's the overview of my app for our Project 4. It's been a great month and look forward to future classes with you guys, so take care.